Hi everyone. For the configuration of application block on our gateway re-series, there are two options. The first one, you can use our Ruijie cloud, okay, for the required configuration of app block, or you can use direct eWeb of the main device to do the configurations. Our Ruijie cloud is free of cost. You can do deployment, configuration, and maintenance free of cost. Okay, so if you come here, we have option network wide. In network wide we have flow and app control. After clicking it, you will see app and website control, so you can block applications and website. So let's try. The first we have to add, so we can select VLAN. Okay, we have two options. We can select a VLAN, default VLAN, and maybe you have a separate different VLANs, so you can select from here. For example, I select department IT, and also I can do to select a user group. Okay, like for example, the user group of all users. Okay, so let me select the VLAN. Now the next one is to select the applications. So for example, here are different options for all the applications. So for example, I want to block YouTube, so I will click on entertainment, click on video. Okay, then click on YouTube. I can also block other applications like for example Netflix, TikTok. Okay, many other applications, all are available. Now after selecting it, okay, I can go set a specific time duration. For example, if it is office, then you can set the weekdays. For example, from Monday to Friday, these applications will be blocked. So I will select weekdays, and you can select the other options also. Now status is on, and you can define the name of this specific application block. For example, it's office app block. Now, okay, so here it is added now. So now you can see it is added, and if you want to add some websites, you have to select again IT department, VLAN, and then select websites. From the websites, you can select the video. For example, select the sports, shoppings. So depend on your requirement, and then you can select again weekdays, and for example I select again weekdays, and then I select website control office. So this is how it's blocked on our Ruijie cloud. If you want to block website and applications using our EG series main eWeb, let me show you in the next in the next slide. Now moving to the next one. If you want to configure application block on our gateway eWeb local interface, so you have to select you have to use the default IP address to log in, as I log in locally. So now after that I have to come to configuration. There's different options: network, security, behavior. In behavior, you have the option of application block and website management. For the application block, you can click on here and then select type, the same configuration on the cloud with the device. If you see, we have the user group and we have custom. For the custom, you have to define the range of IP addresses that need to be blocked for on the applications. On the user group, select user group, all the IP addresses, all the users will be blocked on specific applications. You can select the time, for example weekdays, and I can select the application list directly. For example, entertainment video, then I will select YouTube. Again, the same configuration is here. Okay, for example, the other options, IMDb, and name, for example, it's for the office app blog. You can set for department, for example, for finance, then click on OK. So here we go. We have set a specific rule of application block for the specific users. Now going to the website management, how to block specific websites on our EG105. So you have to click on here. Same options, you have to select the user group, or you have to select the specific range of IP addresses. Let's select the user group. Okay, okay, select the time, for example weekdays, and select the option entertainment for blocking YouTube and social media applications. Now I will click on, I will name the specific rule of website block office. Now control type, the your request is forbidden. Okay, so now we will test YouTube on our application, on our mobile app, and on our websites on the using Google Chrome. Now we will test YouTube. So let me open, for example, YouTube. If you see, I cannot access.